everybody, I'm the Splintersmith. Today, I'm making a two-part pen. It's got two kinds of wood. Still one blank, rather than two blanks, which is my normal. But usually it's two blanks and one piece of wood. Today it's one blank and two pieces of wood. Isn't that crazy? As you can see, I'm making a small pen, not a large one. It's only one piece, which means it's going to be an editor. Also, if you're a person who subscribes to my Instagram or Facebook, you may recognize the Osage Orange and Purpleheart as matching a knife handle that I made and posted up pretty recently. So what this is a pen that went to the wife of the guy that got the knife that I made. So the pen matches the knife. In fact, they were made from the same wood. They're the school colors of the local college football team. At this point, I've already shaped it, and I put the little lines, the grips in the front with the file. Again, anyone that's making pens, I really recommend a good set of jeweler's files. Or not even a good set. Mine's not a good set. Mine was on the clearance wall at Harbor Freight. There's one missing or broken or something, but it's fine. You can see I am now putting the sandpaper grits down in the bottom left. I will work on adjusting the opacity as those are less readable than I thought they were. But that saves me having to guess and go, oh, is this 400? Maybe it's 200. I don't remember. Now I know, because I was able to count during the video while I was editing the video. Anyway, so we're burnishing. We're halfway through the finishing process at this point. This 800 grit. I didn't label the brushing because you can tell it's the brushing. We're on to the 1500 grit now. You saw it fly out of my hand there a second ago. I'm glad that's on camera and visible even at high speed. So this was actually the fourth pen that I did in a set all in a row. All of them were Christmas presents. The other three I haven't made the videos for yet. Frankly, I was impatient to do this one because I liked it so much. So I went ahead and made the video, and I made it all fancy. This is the last grit, the 2000 grit. We're brushing, and we're burnishing. And now we're using paper towel to polish. Alright, so this is the final polish with the paper towel. And putting on the first layer of CA. Just turning the lathe by hand. I actually have the belt exposed over on the side. I'm just using that. Now, normally I just do one layer of CA. A lot of pen makers do like 15 or 30. And I think it's one of those situations where the juice isn't worth the squeeze. You get like 95% of what you need in a layer or two. The last 5% is attainable, but it takes 90% of the work. And then I'd have to charge so much more for pens. I don't know. It's a balancing game. Maybe once I get better. That's how it works, right? Just got to get better. Then you can work faster and make a better pen that people can afford. Welcome to musings about video editing and business with the Splintersmith. And also cool video transitions. I was so proud of that transition working. I promise that's the last stupid video trick in this one. Anyway, I have other videos with other stupid video tricks. So while I'm struggling to put this tip on, and believe me, I do struggle with it, I'm going to take a second and remind anyone watching to please like and subscribe. I am still planning to one day raffle off 3 free pens, but I have to hit 100 subscribers first. So subscribe and then share it so we can get to that 100 and I can give out some pens. YouTube has silly policies. I can't tell people about my page in a way that is easy until 100 people already know about it and sub. I can't even pay them to like have a custom URL. I've tried. I've looked. I've even emailed them. Like, guys, can I just give you like $10 and just let me have a custom URL so I can get on with trying to build my business? They're not having it. So whatever. I think I finally get it. No, fell out again. I hope you were watching this while I was rambling on, because it's honestly kind of hysterical. Anyway, I'm still struggling to put the tip in this pin. This was way more frustrating at the time than it is now, especially after doing 3 other pins. This means I'd been working for hours. Back hurt. Maybe that's why I was struggling so much, because I was fatigued. I can at least make excuses, right? So I made 4 pins in one day. This was the last one. And I turned them all first, and then I assembled them all in the same order. So by the time I was assembling this one, I had been working for like 6 hours. Alright. Done. Well, sort of. Done with the hard part. This is another reason I like the editor so much. There's only 2 parts that you have to push in. Then you unscrew the tip, put in the ink, put in the ink, there it goes. You gotta put a spring on. Come on, man, get the spring on there. All that stuff, and then you put the tip back on and you're done. Here's the pictures I put up on Instagram. Once again, if you don't already follow my Instagram, please do. In fact, here's all my social media. Thanks for watching.